It never rains under a tunnel, of course, since it is covered with a tarp. So should it be watered during the winter period, or should the tarp be removed for microbial life to establish in the soil? It is not always easy to remove the tarp from a tunnel, especially depending on the size of your tunnel. First of all, to prevent the tarp from flying away, it is often buried up to 50 cm deep. So, if you remove it, you risk damaging it anyway, and depending on the type of tarp, it will cost you a lot of money. If you do not cultivate your tunnel during the winter, from autumn to spring, in my opinion, it seems foolish, since it is a time when we really need vegetables. We need glass. You know that in winter we always need glass. Well, during this entire winter period, I advise you to cultivate under your tunnel. Above all, I beg you, do not use your tunnel to store equipment, your mower, your chainsaw, your tiller, and worse, to leave and abandon your tomato plants inside. The tunnel is meant to be cultivated. If we don't water, this is what we get: inert soil, almost dead. Dead. That's what we think, meaning that nothing grows if it remains dry. On the other hand, if you water it, there are seeds inside, so they are not dead. These are weeds that have seeded throughout the summer period, and the seeds are there, waiting. What are they waiting for? A little bit of water. So if you water your tunnel during winter, you will germinate those seeds, and you will only practice false sowing. We waste a little water, watering for nothing or almost nothing, simply to weed. It's better to plant young plants, salads, or to do a sowing, a real sowing, to fully utilize your tunnel. And that's what we are going to do. As you can see, the lettuces are transplanted in a staggered pattern between 25 and 30 centimeters in their row to make weeding easier for me later. We must not forget, if the lettuces benefit from moisture, the weeds do too. So I could weed them quite easily. It is quite clear that we need to water the soil during winter under a tunnel to respect microbial life. This water must not be wasted. It can also allow us to grow lettuces or other plants. So, of course, it is a pity that we cannot respect the water that runs off the tarps of a tunnel. So maybe you can comment. You might have the solution to collect the water from a tunnel, the one that runs off the tarps.